Hi, good afternoon, class. So our lesson for today is about pronouns. But we go, but before we go on to our main lesson, let us read these words first. These are the words with our vowels. So please repeat after me: bear, care, dare, fair, mere, pair, rare, share, chair, fair, hair, pair, fear, here, burn, turn. So let us define first what is a pronoun. Pronoun are the words that take the place of nouns. So this it is a word that is used instead of a noun or a noun phrase. So pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned earlier or to noun that does not need to be mentioned or to be named specifically. So pronouns can be a singular or a plural. So these are the nouns that we can use if it in its singular form, and these are the nouns that we can use to its plural form. In singular pronouns, we can use I, me, you, she, her, he, him, and it. So we can use this if we are talking about only one person. Okay? Plural pronouns, we can use us, we, you, they, and them. So we can use this if we are talking about two or more people or things that we are talking about. Okay? So also have a subject pronouns. So subject pronouns is the doer of the action. Okay? They are they are the only one or they are the one who is doing the action. They are the one who is performing it. Okay? When we say subject pronouns, they are the one who is the doer or the be the. Okay? They are the one who is performing the action. So we can use it. We can use I, we, you, she, it, and they. For example, I went to market. She gave me a flower. They play at the park. It beat me hard. Okay? So this pronoun acts as a doer or as a subject. They are the one who is performing the action. He went to market. Okay? Not anyone because it is I who went to market. She gave me a flower. Who gives the flower? It is she. Okay? She is the one who is giving a flower. That's why she is a subject pronoun. Next, they play at the park. They play at the park. They are playing. So they are performing the action, which is they are playing. Who are the one who is playing? It is they. Okay? It beat me hard. What beat you hard? It is. Okay? It may be a ant or insect or anything that beat you hard. Okay? So these pronouns serve as an a subject pronoun. Next, we have me, him, her, us, and them. So these pronouns are used after the action, word, or verb. Okay? So they cannot act as a subject. They can be only used after the action word or the action verb. Okay? When we say verb, it is the action word. Ito yung ginagawa. Okay? So I hope you learned from our lesson for today and thank you for listening.